Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is a little different because someone requested me to do a video that I talk. I'm a little nervous, but when am I not? So today's video I'm gonna be doing a quick and easy makeup look for work. This is what I do in the morning when I'm rushing. So if you like this look, keep on watching. So I already moisturized my face, so I'm gonna move on to primer, and we want this makeup to last for a long time, so it's really important to prep your face. The primer that I'm using is the Maybelline Baby Skin. And now I'm gonna move on to foundation, and I do need to use two foundations to match my color. The colors that I'm using is E.L.F Coco and E.L.F Caramel. This is not very expensive foundation. This is like $6. And I'm gonna use this flat brush to blend it. You could go circular motions, or you can tap into your face. As you can see, this is very light coverage. It's not like full coverage makeup. And I also use the beauty sponge to press the foundation into my skin. This is a Real Technique beauty sponge. You can use any sponge you want. Now I'm gonna move on to concealer. This is the Bobbi Brown in the shade Warm Honey. I'm gonna use this beauty sponge. It's easier for me. You can use a brush as well, but this is easy for me. And now I'm gonna use this baking powder, not the cooking baking powder, for the makeup. And this is the Makeup Revolution baking powder in the shade Banana. And I'm not going to bake my under eyes, I'm only just applying with the beauty blender. So I'm not gonna leave this for a long period of time. I'm also gonna use a little bit right here with this brush because it's easy for me. Also the forehead and the chin. You can totally skip the under eye baking and move on to powder, but I like to do that step. I'm using the E.L.F contour palette to powder my face. This too comes in different shades, and I'm gonna use this shade to powder my entire face. Now I'm gonna move on to eyebrows, and this is a very important step. This is gonna give you a more put together look. Today I'm gonna be using this Rimmel London Brow Gel. Now I'm gonna move on to eyeshadow, and I'm using this E.L.F palette, Summer Breeze. I'm gonna be taking this shade. As you can see, I use that a lot. And I'm gonna be putting this on my crease. As you can see, that color alone makes a huge difference. Now I'm gonna be using this shade on my eyelid. Now I'm gonna get a blending brush and blend any of the harsh lines. Obviously you can't wear same eyeshadow looks every single day to work, so I'm gonna show you another two looks. You can use this shade on your crease and this shade to the eyelids, or you can wear this shade to your crease and this shade to your eyelid. I'm not gonna do eyeliner in the morning, we are rushing. I don't have time for that, so I'm gonna be using Maybelline mascara. I don't use the eyelash curler because they're naturally upwards, but you can use eyelash curler. I don't even own one. Don't forget your bottom eyelashes. I did put blush and lipstick. My camera was off the entire time. So the blush that I use is this palette and this shade. I only apply like this much, very little, not too much. And I removed my lipstick so I could show you again. The lip liner that I'm using is brown. This is really good for brown skin. And I do have naturally ombre lips, that's why my lip liner is a little bit thick. Then I'm gonna be using this NYX liquid lipstick in the shade Lowkey. So you could finish this look like this with some setting spray, but I like to add something little. I like to use this highlighting powder, very little. And I'm gonna apply a little bit on my brow bone and inner corner as well. And the tip of the nose and the bridge of the nose and the cupid's bow. The highlighting powder that I use is Bobbi Brown in the shade Pink Glow. And now you want to set this makeup with some setting spray. I'm gonna use the Cover FX setting spray. You can use any setting spray. And this is what I do usually in the morning, and doesn't look like you have too much makeup on, and it doesn't take much time either. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so whenever I upload a video you'll get a notification.